Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your Kiran ma'am, and today I am going to teach you new number, that is number 15. But before that, we will do the revision of numbers from 1 to 14, which you already had learnt in your previous sessions. First, we will write number 1. What comes after number 1? Number 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then number 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. And today we are going to learn about number 15. 1, 5, 15. After the introduction of number 15, let us see its value. Kids, which number is this? 1, 5, 15. And I have some pencils over here. So let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 pencils. Now, if I will put one more pencil, it becomes 11. Now one more pencil, then it becomes 12. 10, 11, 12. Now I will put one more pencil, it becomes 13. One more pencil I will put, it becomes 14. Now I will put one more pencil, it becomes 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pencils. Now let us learn how to write number 15 in Max classwork book. Kids, this is the page number 75 in our Max classwork book. Today we will write number 15 in this. First we will write today's date, and today's date is 2/3/23 dash 1111 dash 2020. As number 15 is two-digit number, so we will write number 1 under T and number 5 under O. So for number 1 we will make standing line and touch the bottom line. And for number 5 we will make a slipping line, standing line, and then reverse C curve, touch the bottom line and go little bit up. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. See kids, like this way you have to complete writing of number 15 in your classwork book. Kids, you also have to finish writing of number 15 in your homework book page number 21. You have to write in first and second column. I hope kids, you all have learned how to write number 15 in our Max classwork book. So keep practicing it at home. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.